Did you just order your TwitchCon ticket and don't know how to find the TwitchCon badge in chat? It's simple, let me show you. Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to Simple Streaming. My name is Oslix, and before we begin I just want you guys to know that I also stream on Twitch, link on the description or under this video. And yeah, let's get started. Sad news, TwitchCon 2020 is cancelled, and yeah, I know many of you guys are very sad about it, myself included, but I will let you know how to get your TwitchCon badge in chat. If you don't know, this video could be helpful to you in later, like maybe TwitchCon San Diego, TwitchCon 2021 or something like that. So yeah, it's very easy to do. I'm gonna let you guys know how to do it, how to set it up in chat, because me myself, I experienced that after I ordered my TwitchCon ticket and I saw other people have the badge in chat, but yet my badge wasn't there. So I was like, why didn't I got the badge yet? And I thought it was come automatically, but it didn't happen. So I'm gonna let you know how to set it up. Alright guys, welcome back. So this should be big enough. So we got the chat here, and what you're going to do is go to your own channel and also go to other people's channel. So you go into your own channel, you click the wheel here, and of course because you're the moderator you can see all this stuff and you get really confused, I know. Click on switch to non-mod setting, and then you should see identity right here and click on edit. So up here, customizable badge, you just click on the badge. So Amsterdam 2020, this one should be, or you should do global default badge. I think I have this on there, but you can click both of them, like either. So once you click them, then you should see your name in chat. Before, if you have none like this, so then if you type anything like say hi in chat, there's nothing coming up. It's only your subscription badge and also your broadcaster badge. So switch back to that, click on TwitchCon, click this one down here too, global, and then this one will switch, and then you can try to type again, so hi, and now you see it's here. So let's take a Twitch streamer for example. I'm currently following okay, great, ads. So the same thing here, if you didn't set it up the first time when you set it up on your channel, if you say hi, it won't show up, but because I did it in other people's channel, it's appeared now, so it says hi. So what you want to do in other people's channel as well is go to chat setting, just go to identity, just the same process, and do the same step. Just click on Amsterdam badge here, and this one will change as well, and you're ready to go. Now you can do hi again. I can't because I just typed the same message. Let's type hey, and there you go. Simple as that. Very simple. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something from this video. If it was helpful for you, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.